has no color, race, or creed. Peace is for all, it's what we all need. Take a look at the world and you surely see. Peace is the solution for humanity. Peace, the solution for humanity. Peace is what we need for you and me. Peace, the solution for humanity. Eternally, oh peace. Peace is what we need, oh peace, oh peace. Remembrance of the Lord brings peace to the heart. Inner tranquility, out of harmony. May the light of peace shine on everyone. In the end we pray, peace will overcome. Peace will overcome. Peace, the solution for humanity. Peace is what we need for you and me. Peace, the solution for humanity. Eternally, oh peace. Peace is what we need, oh peace, oh peace. Clerg, thank you so much for attending this assembly, even though you have a very busy schedule. I'd like to introduce the two leaders who will follow up your 10-minute speech, and they will introduce themselves to you.
My name is Madeline Andrews. I'm a Methodist minister in Hammersmith and Fulham and a trustee of London Citizens.
My name is Okito. I'm the chair of Kongo Support Group, organization that contains over 3,000 members all over the United Kingdom. I'm also London Citizen trustee.
We're now going to hear a testimony from Tracy, one of a group of British overseas citizens we have been supporting for some years as a part of our Strangers into Citizens campaign.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Tracy, and I am holding a British overseas citizen passport, but now I'm stateless. I came to the UK legally on a 2-year working holiday visa. I wanted to become part of the community here. I applied for a BOC passport, and my Malaysian passport was revoked by Malaysian government when they discovered I hold a BOC passport, so I cannot return. I have lived here for 7 years and have put down roots here. I have never sought benefit from government. I want only to work legally and to contribute to British society, the country that I love. I have a degree in construction management and many skills. I want to be part of the community, to hold my head up high, to live a normal life. I want to say to the party leaders here today, please, if you are going to be Prime Minister, please imagine what it is like for me and for others like me. Living in limbo is very hard. I I am 32. I have a partner. We have been together for 6 years. He has settled in this country with a decent career. We are hoping to get married and start a family. But this is impossible now for me. The future is very uncertain, and living without basic freedom is very tiring. If I work, I have to look over my shoulder. I cannot travel abroad like other people. My parents in Malaysia are now elderly, and I worry I won't ever see them again and kiss them. The immigration minister has not answered my letter. I am stuck now, stateless and nervous, sometimes depressed. But there is one thing that is certain for me. I belong in the UK. This is my home. I have nowhere else to go. I want to say to the future Prime Minister, please listen to me and my story. If you allow for a selective, conditional, one-off legalization for people like me, who have been staying here for many years and put down roots here, you are not weakening Britain's borders. Every decent society recognizes, while borders are necessary, with roots also come right. These two things are not in contradiction. Stranger into Citizen campaign has brought me hope that I can have a normal life. Now speaking to the party leaders today, I have hope again. Maybe the next government will listen. Thank you.
Full practice of detaining children. It is for this reason that we ask the state to release the land we need to build affordable family house on our community land trust. And why we ask the government to free from legal limbo to many people who have put the roots down in our country. Mr. Clerg, we call for positive response from you to our manifesto, in the belief that action on this issue will bring about healthy civil society, on which a fair and a free market and a vigorous democracy depend. We ask you to consider them carefully and respond judiciously in the interest of our nation, common, in which we all aspire or believe.
First, before I turn to the very moving story we heard from Tracy, and before I address myself to the points you made in your manifesto,